Hello everybody, this is Simeonski. Welcome to another Rec Room tutorial. In this one, I'm gonna explain to you one of the mechanics that I used in my games and also show you how you can build this mechanic into your game step by step. So this is the more advanced version of our room leveling tutorial. If you haven't seen the first one, I suggest you to see that. I will not rebuild it, but I will use what I have here already and explain to you a little bit what I want to do and how my processes also go in creating things like that. So what I want to do here now is, instead of having this as a text, the XP and stuff, I want to have a HUD on my display. Probably you won't see it now very good in the video because of the recording is sometimes kind of off. I hope that you will see it. Maybe I will have it on top. Let's see how this will work. But I want to have it as a HUD on my display now. And for that we have some HUD elements here. It's called HUD. And we have to prepare some stuff when we start. You see there's a lot of HUD things. Basically what you want to do is, whenever the player, we will set up the HUD first over here. And therefore we need an event receiver that says joined, player joined, then if player is local, so basically it checks if you are the one that just recently joined, and then we will activate the HUD for yourself, HUD. Okay. And you can change things here. Room level HUD, HUD element variable, HUD element label, HUD element enabled. The thing is, we need to do the set HUD element. Where is it? Set HUD element enabled. Set. No, we don't need to set HUD element content, set HUD element value, set HUD element enabled. Here it is. And we basically have to enable it once. Set this to true, and then it will enable whenever the player joins. And of course we need the HUD constant as well. Game HUD constant, here we go. Okay, connect this, and this will basically enable your HUD once you go in. And we could call this there. XP, we call it XP. XP. You can have several. Okay. We'll call it XP for now, and then but then we also want to do something here, not just enable it, but we want to actually use this list here, and probably we will have to move things around as well again. To show how much, to have kind of a bar there that moves up and once it reaches a certain amount, it always shows you the way to the next level. Let's say it like that. So we need some more HUD settings here, and this will now become a little bit more complicated. We have the game HUD element constant, we have the game HUD element color, we have the enabled, we have the label we can change, we have the max value. This is what we want to change. And the value, this is also what we need to change. Oh no, it's not the get. We need again the set. Set HUD element. Here the set HUD element max value. Set HUD element value. And here you already see a problem with our system over here. This always goes up, but it's not showing the XP that we need for the next level. So we have to change things here later as well. Not only that we can delete this, and actually we can also delete this. We can delete almost everything here. No, we cannot, but we cannot do. Let's move this over, because this will be the same process basically, just with different triggers. So I will move this over here now. But what we want to do is we want to set the HUD element enable to true. Then connect this HUD element to these both things, and basically the first value will be how much you have here, so we can copy over the Smith XP thing. And this will show you not the max value, but what you have. So I moved it the wrong way. It should be up, this should be down. So this is showing how much you have. And this should be showing how much you need for your next level. And here we can easily use our items from this circuitry. Can we use that? Let's see. Yes, we can use that. Yeah, easily. So the value we want to reach is 20, and we can connect this here. So this should show us how much we have and how much is the next step, which is already cool and already works. Yeah, it already works. Cool. Let me test this. So the cool thing here is, hope you can see this, it's having a number. Okay, this is not updating right now, but what we can do here is we update this also. Oh. We are not just, whenever you gain something, we update the HUD as well, which is just connecting this. This should update our HUD. Okay, it goes to 10, 15. Now it has a problem. 25, 30, 35. The cool thing is, only problem is it's not showing up when the upgrade is happening. I'm not sure why. Just because when the Smith level goes up, I also need to connect this. So, and this should, I hope you can see this on the recording. It's always turning up. And then it's basically the thing is going up all the time. And I can set the HUD element maybe a little bit differently. Say primary. Hope we can see that better. Okay, there we have the primary thing. That should be seeable, hopefully. You see the bar is going up, and whenever it reaches the end, it's returning, but it's also leveling up. So, in order to maybe make this a little bit more streamlined, you could have a notification, for example. No. Show a notification in between here, or a sound, or both. Best would be to have both. Whenever you level up, there will be a notification, and the sound that says level up. See, it's bars going up, 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 and then level up. And now it's not continuing anymore because I think we have reached our highest level here. Yeah, with 200. But you can of course just add things to the list, then it will continue. We are now at level 5, and if you add more numbers here, it will continue. Yeah, that's basically not fully it, because we also want to have a second one that shows you your level. And this is something we can do with a second HUD element here. We just put that in line. The important thing is, I think this HUD element can only be once in the room, as I know. This will probably, see. Oh no, can be twice. So we can also rename this to level, submit. Oh no, yeah, level. And then just put the upper middle maybe, show value text. This is very important. And this should now show the value text, which is the level. And we don't need a max level here for that. Just want to show the level here. This would be basically to simply use our Smith level instead of our Smith XP here. Go. Connect this. And I probably will have to reset the system so we can try it again. Oh no, we're not changing it. Sorry. Just connect it here. And now we should have two HUDs. One is the XP HUD and the other one is the there we go, let's see. Okay, there we go. 0, 0. Oh, what is that? Okay, there's something. And this is the thing with the hide game HUD element. It's a little bit the thing with the values here. You have to check which one. Is it 0, 50? No. So this seems to be a time thing. Okay, this would be. Yeah, this could be this corner could be the level. And then what we basically want to do is, for the level at least, of course you can also have the highest level, like be it a 10, and just, we still want to set HUD. Max value. You can of course just say for example, you could say I will want to type in that the highest level is 10 here. I would just type it in, you don't need to take it from anything. Oh, we're still at level 0, okay. Level up, level 1, you see. That would be a reasonable thing, level 2. Or you could also just use this again. So it basically shows the number, but the symbol itself will stay the same. It'll just be like that. Go through that once the bar is full. I hope you can see that bar here on the recording, I'm not sure. Level up, you're level 3 now. Yeah, that's the more streamlined way. So you can decide if you want to do this advanced way, or if you want to have some corner that shows you what level is certain, what level you have. Of course, if you use that bar here, this only works with one profession in a room, so to speak. If you want to have different professions in one room, you need to do it the other way I showed you before. Thank you guys for watching. As always, like and subscribe the video if you liked it, or leave a comment. You can also leave comments on what you want to see more on this channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.